If your cravings hit around evening like 4 p.m. or 3 p.m. and it gets even worse by night, then this video is exactly for you. You are good all day, like you have your chai or coffee in the breakfast, you eat your lunch, you have something for snack around noon, but by the time evening comes, that cravings hits harder and it feels impossible to control. And I know what you are thinking. आपके दिमाग में चलता रहता है कि maybe I don't have that much willpower कि मैं cravings को control कर पाऊँ. Maybe cravings are my weakness. Or you think that maybe you are foodie or you are addicted to food and sugar. That's why you get this daily intense craving. So ये सारी चीजें आपके दिमाग में चलती हैं. Trust me, you are not. Cravings are not the problem. The real problem is your structure and your lifestyle. If you are new here, then hit that subscribe button because I post videos like this for busy women just like you every single week. And if we haven't met before, my name is Coach Jeet Bhatt. I run online fitness coaching company here in Canada and I have helped 300 plus busy Indian women lose fat, fix their hormones, manage PCOS and build a sustainable long-term health and fitness. Let me guess what your day looks like. Morning, आप उठते हो. Option 1 कि आप कुछ नहीं खाते हो because you don't have time to cook or eat in the morning because you are rushing for work or it's just you are a busy mom and आपको आपके kids को ready करना होता है स्कूल के लिए, so you do prepare a tiffin box for them but forget to take care of your own health. और अगर आप खाते भी हो तो you either have tea or coffee with some biscuits, खारी or something like that, and then you get busy in your work, in जो आप घर का काम करते हो or whatever work you are doing, and आपको पता ही नहीं चलता कि कब 1, 1:30, 2 बज जाते हैं दोपहर के, and then suddenly that cravings hit and suddenly that you remember कि अरे दोपहर हो गई है, मुझे खाना खाना. तो आप क्या करते हो? Either you grab something easy और अगर आपके खुद के लिए सिर्फ बनाना है खाना, so I know कि it is going to feel कि अकेले के लिए क्या खाना बनाना, कुछ भी जो छोटा मोटा है घर पे, I will eat that easy or I will just eat out. But that easy is not always what your body needs. So that huge gaps between your meals and then वो आप लंच में खाते हो, फिर सीधा you prepare for कि I will eat अभी अच्छे से आराम से पेट भर के in the dinner. So there are huge gaps between your meals throughout the day. And then by evening around 6 p.m. 7 p.m. you are tired, you are drained, you have no energy, you are exhausted, like after going home after hectic work day, and that's when the cravings starts showing up. तो जो घर पे फिर biscuits, snacks, kurkures, lays, donuts, pastries, breads, whatever is available, you will eat that. और फिर आपको guilty feel होगा और फिर आएगा every time वाला thought कि let's quit, I will restart from Monday again perfectly. And trust me, this is the exact reason why you are restarting every single Monday and seeing no results. क्योंकि it's not because that you are weak or you are not disciplined. So it's not a discipline issue. It's neither a motivation issue. It's just कि how your lifestyle is built up around कि आपकी work life क्या है, आपकी personal life क्या है, आपकी social life क्या है, and on the top your fat loss journey. That is not all working together. Here's one truth no one is going to tell you: cravings are a symptom. It's not the real root problem. Your brain is going to force you to get fast energy, usually either from high sugar foods or high salty foods, because when your body is experiencing like a blood sugar roller coaster and your blood sugar levels are fallen down, which is usually very common with hormonal imbalances, like especially if you have PCOS or if you are obese or overweight in general, so your body is actually programmed to crave chocolates, sugars, brownies, ice creams, donuts, chips in order to survive. So your body is not broken, it's exactly doing what it is designed to do. Think about it. Like when you go 5, 6 or even 7 hours without eating, your blood sugar level crashes. So when energy level drops down, your body gets into panic mode. And then suddenly the only thing body needs at that time is मुझे कैसे instant energy मिले. So it is going to signal your brain and your brain is going to signal you that get me something which is going to give me the fastest and easiest way मुझे energy मिले. And the fastest and easiest for your body to break down is simple sugar, जो आपको मिलती है chocolates में से, brownies में से, donuts में से, chips, energy drinks, coffee. क्योंकि sugar को break down करना आपकी body के लिए सबसे easiest है. वो आपको sudden energy spike तो देगा, but it is going to do something which is more worse. It is going to crash down. और जब वो crash होगा, that's what you feel lethargy, low energy. I'll give you example. आपने कभी ऐसा सोचा है कि क्यों, जैसे कि desserts like गुलाब जामुन, fruit salads, रबड़ी, बासुदी, मैंगो रस, जो स्पेशली गुजरातीज ईट इन समर, वो सब खाने के बाद खतरनाक वाली नींद क्यों आती है? अच्छी वाली नींद आती है. यू फील कि नहीं ये खाया था लेकिन 1-1.5 घंटे में बहुत नींद आई. इट इज नॉट गुड स्लीप. इट इज एक्चुअली कि आपकी बॉडी ने जो आपने जो शुगर कंज्यूम की थी उतनी सारी वो स्पाइक होके फिर क्रैश फील हुआ था, एंड व्हेन यू हैव दैट क्रैश योर बॉडी डोंट हैव एनी एनर्जी और डजंट वांट टू फोकस ऑन एनी अदर एक्टिविटी. सो दैट इज व्हाई वो आपको नींद फील होती है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू स्लीप दैट इज व्हेन योर बॉडी एक्चुअली गेट्स टाइम टू ओवरकम वो जो क्रैश हुआ था, वो जो डैमेज हुआ है वो मील से उसको रिकवर करने के लिए. एंड इफ यूर PCOS then it is going to even make it worse for your body, for your metabolism, for your hormones. So those crashes, those cravings, those spikes are even going to damage your body more if you're struggling with any sort of hormonal imbalance. So your body is reacting to 4 things. 1, low protein intake, long hours of gap between your meals, energy crashes by skipping meals, and last, the 4th one, which is very important, lack of structure in how you eat your meals. So अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आप foodie हो, you are not addicted to food, your body is just trying to catch up. So the real fix isn't fighting against that cravings that you have. The real fix is to build your day, your meals, your overall lifestyle where the cravings never shows up, or even if it does, it may be once or twice in a month, because that is going to build a strong foundation of a healthy body. So let me help you fix this into 4 easy steps. It is simple, sustainable, and you can start following right today. Don't worry, I'm not going to give you any kind of complicated diet plans. I'm not going to tell you to skip or stop eating rice or roti or any form of carbohydrate. Neither I'm going to ask you to restrict your favorite food. And this is the same structure I give to my clients. Number 1, fix your first meal. Mornings sets the tone for energy for throughout your whole day. So if you just think, if you start your day with just chai, and that too on empty stomach, or have some form of biscuits which is only carbohydrates and fats, like sugar and fats, like no protein, क्योंकि it's basically sugar जो आपको चाय में से मिलेगी, milk, then biscuits, it's just refined flour, मतलब मैदा और फिर sugar, तो your blood sugar levels are going to spike and then crash down in next like 30 to 60 minutes after having it. So उससे ऊपर आने के लिए आप ऐसा नहीं कि अच्छा खाना खाओगे, बैलेंस मील खाओगे, आप ऊपर से दूसरी चाय या कॉफी पियोगे, which is going to even make it worse. So this spikes and crashes follows you whole day. So कैसे fix करना है? I'm not going to ask you to stop or cut down any form of tea or coffee from your diet. No, don't worry. If you want to learn and know how to include chai and coffee in your fat loss, then watch this video. But what I'm asking is add at least 20 to 30 grams of protein with that meal. So instead of having biscuit or chai, you can have 2 to 4 egg whites with 1 whole egg. That is going to give you 15 to 20 grams of protein. Number 2, या फिर आप एक पनीर टोस्ट खा सकते हो, which is not going to give you like 20-30 grams of protein, but decent amount of protein मिलेगा आपको, and it is also going to give you sustained slow release energy, because पनीर is a casein protein, तो slow digesting protein source है, तो आपको धीरे धीरे energy देता रहेगा. Or it's just you can have yogurt bowl. If you want to check out the recipe for high protein yogurt bowl, which just takes like 90 seconds, you can check out here. Or even अगर चलो वो भी नहीं करना, and if you're someone like me who doesn't have huge appetite in the morning, or say you don't want to eat within few hours of waking up, then just 1 scoop of protein to start your day before tea or coffee is going to make things more easier and simple for you. These options are something that is going to help you stay stable and full for next 2 to 4 hours. Just this one change is going to help you reduce your 3 p.m. 4 p.m. evening craving by up to 40%. I have seen it happen with my clients over and over again. So it works. And if you found this video valuable, then this is for you. Instead of figuring out all this by your own and wasting time and energy, and of course efforts, you can follow my structured proven program that's already been working for hundreds of busy women. That's exactly what I have built inside my Freedom Reset program. If you want results, structure, guidance, community support, and accountability all in one place, then click the link in the description and join now. I'll see you inside. Number 2, no long gaps between your meals. 3 से 4 घंटे से ज्यादा आपको भूखा नहीं रहना हर मील के बाद. I'm not saying कि that वो वाला डाइट प्लान फॉलो करो कि सुबह 8 बजे जीरा वाटर, 9 बजे ये, 10 बजे ये, 11 बजे ये, 12 बजे. No, I'm not saying that, but your body has its own clock. So if you make a habit according to your schedule, let's say for an example, my body is used to this schedule. Okay, I have my first meal around 8 to 9, then I have my coffee around 10 to 11, then I have my lunch around 1 to 2 p.m. most probably, even if I'm stuck with my work. I eat कि at least मैं 2:30 बजे तक तो खाना खा ही. Then I have little bit like a green tea or small snack around 4:35, which helps me continue and not feel more hungry before dinner, and then I have my dinner around 7:30 ish or max 8. So ये मेरे सालों से मेरी बॉडी इस बॉडी के क्लॉक पे एडजस्ट हो चुकी है. I don't know what your schedule is, what is your timing of your breakfast, lunch and dinner, and even if you are busy, I work 10 to 12 hours a day, so I also have a hectic schedule. It's all about prepping and planning. So आप अपने work schedule और life के according जो हो वो timing adjust कर सकते हो. Try to not have more than 4 hours of gap between your meals. this is going to fix your cravings, because when you do that, your hunger starts building. And by the time you eat, your body is already in the panic mode, already like in the survival mode. So what is going to happen? You are going to overeat. You will make poor choices because जब भूख लगती है तो दिमाग काम नहीं करता. So that's why I said in the beginning of the video, it's not about willpower, it's about lack of planning, lack of structure. So have something planned up, and even if you don't have anything कि आप बाहर जा रहे हो, आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, one meal you can always carry with you. So ideally have fruits जो आपको chop करके ना खाना पड़े. So 3 best options: apple, kiwi and pear with 10 to 15 gram of any nuts. So ये always आप अपने बैग में रख सकते हो. And also for protein, you can have 1 scoop of protein or just 100 to 150 gram of fatty Greek yogurt. That is what you can have it easily, आपको मिल जाएगा. But eat something every 3 to 4 hours. 3. Build a balanced plate. You have to follow foundation plate method. My clients use this foundation plate method. It involves no counting calories, no counting macros, कुछ नहीं करना, simple घर का खाना, structure build up करना है. By doing this, आपको 5 से 7 किलो lose करने में help करेगा while managing your cravings. So for every meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, you only want this 3 main things in your plate. Protein, good amount of complex carbs or even simple carbs. Yes, you can have rice and roti, no issues. Good amount of healthy fat. Make sure you control the portion of fats you use to build up your plate, and your veggies to help you increase more volume to the food. This is a sample structure. You can see this is how you can build your balanced plate using my foundation plate method. So you are not eating any bland or boring food. You are just eating your foods that you have grown up eating. It's just you are learning a structure, controlling the portions and making it better structure to help you lose fat, manage your blood sugar levels and your PCOS. And last, number 4, this is the most important one, क्योंकि ये आपको help करेगा पहला, दूसरा और तीसरा follow करने में, which is plan your evenings in advance. If आपको पता ही नहीं है मुझे क्या खाना है, so you will not have enough groceries to cook food. And if you don't know what to eat and if you don't have groceries, then easiest option आपके लिए वही होगा कि आप या तो फिर बाहर खाओगे या फिर पिकअप करके घर पे खाओगे. But usually that is not going to help you achieve your results. And this is where majority of busy Indian women fail. Not because that it's about making bad choices, but because you have no choice. Options ही नहीं है खाने के लिए, घर पे groceries ही नहीं है, then what you will make? So you have only option to eat whatever is available, which in most cases is not what your body actually needs. So when you plan, you don't rely on willpower. Willpower is the most unreliable thing. Trust me when I say this. When you are stressed, when you are hungry, when you are busy, when you are exhausted, तब दिमाग काम ही नहीं करे. So it's better कि पहले से ही prep करके रखे, तो जब ऑलरेडी दिमाग थका हुआ है तो उसको ज़्यादा काम ना करना पड़े. So when your days are structured like this way, your cravings are automatically going to disappear. I have worked with 300 plus busy Indian women here in Canada and US on this exact problem, and the ones who get real results, they didn't follow any kind of crazy diets. They didn't remove carbs from their diet. They didn't even follow a plan that was impossible to stick with for more than 2 weeks. They fixed their structure inside my Freedom Reset program. That's it. They fixed their breakfast, they fixed their meal gaps, they fixed their timing of the meal, कैसे बैलेंस प्लेट बिल्ड करनी है वो सीखा प्रोग्राम के अंदर. एंड विद इन 2 to 4 weeks they saw amazing results. Even their cravings reduced on their own. Fat loss started, energy levels were better, digestion were better, skin was better, bloating was less. Overall they were feeling amazing in less than 4 weeks. And especially they have stopped restarting every Monday because now they are consistently following a system that gives them results consistently and sustainably. Now if this makes sense to you and you are watching this video and thinking, okay, I get it, but how do I make this possible for my life, my lifestyle, my work life and my schedule? I have made that easy for you. Don't worry. I have put together a free 7-day PCOS friendly Indian meal guide. It shows you exactly what to eat, what not to eat, how to structure your meals, across the day, and how to reduce cravings without cutting out carbs or giving up your favorite food. And this is specially built for busy Indian women here in Canada and US. The link is in the description below. Check it out, go download it. It is only going to take less than 30 seconds and you can start using it from today. Stop trying to control your cravings and start fixing your structure. If you found this video valuable, I want you to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because I post videos like this for busy women just like you every single week. Alright, this is your coach JB signing off until next time, over and out.